What is Azure and why do companies use it? Azure is Microsoft's cloud platform. Cloud is probably an overused term, and some people would say, well, that's just someone else's computer. But if that computer offers over 200 different services, it spans 60 geographical regions and is across 200 data centers. Now that's a computer that I think most people and companies would like to use. A lot of companies use Microsoft to help drive digital transformation, and that's really to take their existing legacy or pre-modernized estate and really bring new benefits and capabilities to the business and their customers. Microsoft offer a range of these services that can help customers through that stage of digital transformation. So you might be familiar with the term things like infrastructure as a service, whereby Microsoft and you can consume elements of compute like VMs, containers, storage, networks, so components that allow you to build your own solutions and services. Within the Azure capability, you've also got platform as a service and different solutions. So this is moving on from infrastructure as a service, where Microsoft have pre-built different elements and wrapped an SLA so you can consume a service rather than worry about building the components. A great example of a platform as a service is Azure SQL. Azure SQL is the database service whereby Microsoft will deliver that to you, give you 99.99% availability, and you don't have to worry about the maintenance or the operation of the service. You just consume it and then derive the benefits from having that service. It's a lot easier than taking a VM and building up an operating system and installing SQL Server and then worrying about the resilience. So that's platform as a service, and there's a wide range of capabilities within the platform. The next level, and where it gets really exciting, is the serverless and the solutions you can just take from the Azure platform. A great example is cognitive services. There's a big range that I won't go into now, but a good example is if you're trying to train a facial recognition algorithm internally, it's just not going to be possible or feasible for you to get the right data set and build the tools, or it'll be very expensive. So being able to buy that from Microsoft for a couple of pence for each transaction just opens up a world of possibilities for companies driving digital transformation. So what kind of companies are going to use Azure? Well, you probably know the answer to this, and that is that every company, small, medium or large, has the ability to tap that capability with Azure. And that's the great thing about cloud platforms. They're such a leveler. You can be a startup organisation and you can get access to the same range of services that a massive FTSE 100 company will have. So that real competitive capability is there at your fingertips to use on the Azure platform.